If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To use the help features in QuickBooks Online, click the Help button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar to open a help window at the right side of the page. The Help window contains two tabs named Assistant and Search that you can click to view different help content. The Assistant tab's content appears by default. The Assistant tab contains a bot that can provide answers to basic QuickBooks questions. To ask a simple question, type it into the search bar at the bottom of the tab, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard, or click the Send button that then appears to the right as you type. The assistant will then try to determine what you want to do and show basic instructions or show related help topics. You can click these topics to show them in a new browser tab or window, which you can close after you finish reading it. Alternatively, to ask the assistant a question by voice, click the microphone icon in the lower right corner of the tab, allow the web page to access your microphone in your browser if prompted, and then ask the question. Your question is then sent as text in the window and the usual responses follow. You can then click the microphone button again to ask follow-up questions if desired. To manually search for help topics in QuickBooks Online, click the Search tab at the top of the help window. Then type the search term, question, or topic for which to search into the Search Questions, Keywords, or Topics field at the top of the pane. As you type, suggestions appear in a list below the field. Either click to select a suggested help topic in this list, or continue typing and then press the Enter key on your keyboard, or click the magnifying glass icon to the left of the field to search for the topic you typed. Matching results for your search term then appear in a list in this window. You can click any result to show its contents within the window. To return to the previous page, click the Back button that appears in the upper left corner of the window. To start a new search, click into the Search Term field shown at the top of the window and then repeat the process. To contact support for QuickBooks Online, click the Contact Us link at the bottom of the Search tab in the Help window. If needed, type a search term and then click the Continue button. Then choose a contact option by clicking the desired button on the page and following the on-screen prompts. To close the Help window, click the X button in its upper right corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.